This is Miss Lally, and today is September 10th, and I'm going to be pulling up my sweet potatoes. Don't mind the noise in the background. Neighbors have a bunch of puppies, so I'm going to be pulling up these sweet potatoes because Florence is coming to town, at least in North Carolina, but we'll know about it because we'll probably be getting some of the rain and wind and whatnot. I just want to note, I have no idea what to expect. Am I going to get a lot of sweet potatoes, a little bit, a bunch of little ones, small ones? So it'll be interesting to see. It is very hot out. Well, not very hot. It's hot, but it's not as, it's humid, but not as humid as it has been. So, but we'll see. But I'm over here in the sun. So I'm getting ready to try to pull these up. I see I have to be careful because I got this blueberry bush that somehow or another sweet potatoes entangled themselves up around my blueberry bush. So I got to be kind of gentle in pulling these vines out. And there's some long vines. I'm going to try to save me some of these sweet potato leaves. Okay. So I'm actually pulling the vines, and this is the second sweet potato I've seen that was attached to the vine. And there go another one. Ooh, and another one. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. Still got some more to pull up, and these over here and made their way over to where the tomatoes at. I don't expect to find any sweet potatoes over there, but you never know. So just from pulling the vines up, this is what I got so far. They a little ate up on, but nothing a little chop can't take care of. I don't know about this one. It's a little too ate up. Guess I need to look up what likes to munch on sweet potatoes. Alright, so I managed to pull up most of the vines and leaves, and taking a breather before I start digging for the sweet potatoes. And this is what I pulled off from the vine since I last showed you. I think it's maybe two more in there. And let's see, when I planted the sweet potatoes, pretty much in this area right here, but I see that I have a cluster of sweet potatoes right there, and it looks like I see sweet potato poking out right there, and it should be something going on right here. So as soon as I catch my breath, I'm gonna get to digging again. Well, yeah, digging. Okay. Alright, so I'm pulling up on the vine, and look at that. And I just pulled this big one out right here, odd shape. And so, what we got? See, and I'm pulling them because Hurricane Florence is going to be bringing all this extra moisture my way. And look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one in here. And last April, I took my little itty bitty sweet potatoes, put them down here in the wood chips. I just moved the wood chips off the soil, set them on top of the soil, and then I cover them back up with wood chips, and I leave them alone until it's time to harvest. And this one kind of down in there, and so I've learned when they down in, they just kind of got to dig around, or else you'll break it off. Let's see, let me get some help. Alright, let's see how this work out for me. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back. So this is what was down. That thing was wedged down in there. Whew, I had to get the shovel and dig it out. All right, keep going. Okay, this is what I got so far. Digging up sweet potatoes is a workout. I'm out here sweating. And so this year, I just only planted them right here. I said, I think I only want to go digging for them once in one spot and call it a season. So I done dug all over here, and this is what I got so far. Now I'm going to come over in this area, and there's that cluster right there, and there's some over here, and I'll see what I got going on. So I'll be back. And here are most of the sweet potato leaves I pulled up. I got them under my carport so they wouldn't be sitting in the sun while I pull up the sweet potatoes. And so I'm just gonna collect some of them and have a final sweet potato leaf dish. Alright, here is my finished fruit of my labor. So I'm going to separate them into these boxes, and I got more if I need to. And what I just leave them outside for a day or two, let them dry with the dirt on them, and then I move them into the house, into my back room, and there they stay till we use them. Usually in November, December. They may last January, depending on how much we eat. So I'll be back. Okay, so they're separated in the boxes, and we leave them out here, let them air dry with the dirt on them. And that concludes my sweet potato harvest. It's a lot of work. Not bad though.